Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hi, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that is very, very interesting, and that is the importance of a sketchbook. I'm going to be covering about 3 topics in this video. Why you need a sketchbook, which sketchbook you should get, and how to use a sketchbook. Okay, without further ado, I know you have a lot of things to do, I have a lot of things to do. Let's not waste each other's time, let's just get into this. Okay, so the first thing is why you need a sketchbook. Why do you need a sketchbook? I'm not gonna answer that for you, bro. You're probably watching this because you're interested in sketchbooks or whatever. So you need a sketchbook because you probably, I don't know, same reason why do you need shoes, bro? Like, your sketchbook is a perfect place to practice your skills and experiment with new techniques. The more you draw, the better you get. That's just it. It's a safe space where you can make mistakes, try new things and see your progress over time. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to flip through old pages and see how far you've honestly come. Or maybe you just want a sketchbook because everyone has a sketchbook. I don't know. But it's important to answer why, at least. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, which sketchbook should you buy? Again, I'm not gonna tell you what sketchbook you should buy. I don't know your budget. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? So I think at the end of the day, it's important to just consider the fact that you can use any sketchbook you want. If you don't have a sketchbook, or if you are a broke artist, then if you are broke and you don't have money to buy a sketchbook, and you call yourself an artist and you choose not to have a sketchbook, that's kind of, because if you are broke and you call yourself an artist and you want a sketchbook, you're gonna have a sketchbook basically by just getting just a bunch of papers, stacking them together and just finding something just to clip this, and then you know what I'm talking about. I should make a DIY sketchbook tutorial soon for those people that don't have sketchbooks, but yeah. Or you can just wing it and just go for the classic sketch pad or something. It doesn't have to be something crazy. It's a sketchbook, right? It's just a place where you just, put your drawings and stuff. So it doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be, all those things. All you need is a place to document your artworks. That's it. A place to keep them, a safe place. How to use a sketchbook. You basically, the same way you use a book at school, man. You just open it, do something, flip the page. I'm bad at this. Am I terrible at this? I don't know. I just feels like I am, but your sketchbook is also a playground for your imagination. You can explore different styles and test out new ideas and let your creativity run wild as possible. It's a place where there are no rules, no pressure to make a perfect piece of art, just pure, unfiltered creativity to its best level. I hope you learned a few things. I'm pretty sure you didn't expect to just learn what you learned or whatever, but I hope you learned a thing or two. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah. This is the most weird video ever. Weird. Absolutely weird.